Hey everyone, it's Angel again. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I just wanted to work in my very old, well, it's only a couple years old, but my original silly book, my very first one that I made. I kind of wanted to do a page that's kind of like dedicated to the fact that I had just had a cold, a really bad cold. I think it was the flu. It felt like the flu. I'm still in the middle of it, but yeah, all I did was put gesso and let it dry, and then I just scraped on a very light layer of this acrylic paint in metallic pewter. I'm still kind of waiting for it to dry, and I don't know how much talking I'm going to be able to do, probably not much, luckily for you guys, but I know that I just want to do, just something really fun and light and quick, nothing too serious, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Hang out with me while I do this. So, I feel like I want to put some tape in the middle. Let's see. I don't know if I mentioned this before. I'm sure I have, but I'm kind of I really kind of want to get something, some new washi tapes, like some different washi tapes than I think I'm just going to use this. This is plain, but I want to get some new washi tapes, like something different than what I already have, and something different than, what I see at the store. If you happen to have any recommendations for like an Etsy store or an online store where I can get some like unique washi tapes, let me know. And yeah, leave me a comment and let me know where you shop for washi tape. If you get, something different than, what's at Michael's or at Hobby Lobby or whatever. I recently, my best friend came to visit me last weekend for my birthday, and I knew that she was going to be going to the Japanese dollar store. She lives in San Diego, but I knew she was going to be going to the Japanese dollar store near where she lives, and I asked her to look for some for me there, and either they were fresh out or they don't sell it anymore, because she couldn't find any. And it's funny because she usually would would call me and let me know, like, oh, there's washi tape here, do you want me to get you some? And I'd be like, no, just because I knew it was gonna be too much trouble for her to have to like send it to me. But now that we can visit each other, I thought, yeah, get me some washi tape, but no luck. So, anyway, I'm just getting a background down. I'm like I said, I just wanted to do like a funny little page, dedicated to like, getting yourself through a cold or a flu. I feel like this was the flu. I never checked my temperature, so I can't really say whether or not I had a fever. If I did, it was a low-grade fever, because I was never like feeling like I had a fever. I mean, you can tell, right? But I felt pretty bad, let me tell you. I mean, I still not 100%. That's for sure. And then while we're at it, I wanted to ask you guys, anybody who's watching, to leave me a comment, because since this is a page that's going to be dedicated to, how you get through having, a cold or a flu, besides taking, medication, what do you do to get yourself through it? Or like what would your mom do? What are the, whatever old wives' tales you might have, like, for my mom, it's like, Vicks, of course, Vicks, lots of Sprite, or, like just anything to keep you hydrated, water, I like Sprite. I don't really like soft drinks, but I do drink soft drinks when I'm sick. Halls, tea. I have plenty of tea, and I even have like a little a can. What is this thing? Like the tab from the Sprite bottles, or not Sprite bottles, the Sprite cans, and nasal spray. So I thought, I don't know, I just thought it would be like something funny to do, and I think I'm gonna paint something too. So yeah, so I'm just, I mean, that's what that's what this page is all about. I don't know where my, oh, here they are. I got these paintbrushes right before I moved here, and I think I got them at Michael's. I don't remember. It's funny, I went to Michael's, the last time I went to Michael's, I had a coupon, and I got all this stuff, and then I realized I forgot my coupon. I forgot to use my coupon when I got home. So, you know, story of my life. This is new, too. I have this, some failed ATC cards that didn't quite work out very well, but I'm thinking about maybe using it as like a, I don't know, like a pocket maybe, or like a tuck spot or something, you know, I don't know. That I've been eating. I normally like to make my own homemade soup, but I just was too weak. It just was like too weak. This was really a nasty cold, like a really bad one. I'm 100% sure it was the flu. It had to be. It felt like it. I mean, I had body aches and everything. I know for sure that I don't think I had a major temperature, because the last time I had a temperature, like I got really lethargic. The last time I had a really bad temperature, but you know, this past winter I had, you know, bronchitis. It was beginning to turn into pneumonia, and I don't remember ever having had like a really high temperature even back then. So I mean, I don't know. Sometimes I don't really trust the thermometer anyway, because I know for sure that my husband had a temperature, because I caught this cold from him, but I know he had to have a temperature. His skin was like so warm, and he was just so like really sick, and I checked his temperature and he didn't have one. So mint tea, I don't think that's gonna, I think I'm gonna have to glue that. But I don't know how I'm gonna get that. Maybe I'm gonna have to I'll tacky glue it, this one, and then tape it, I guess. But yeah, I'm sorry I don't really have anything really exciting to let you guys listen to, other than the fact that I've been sick. Although I had so much fun the week before I got sick. My best friend came to visit me, like I said, from San Diego, and we had so much fun. She brought her 2 daughters. One of them is in college, and her younger daughter's only 6 years old, so it was nice to have like you know, a little girl in the house. And I love being auntie, and my husband he went to Canada to go visit his mom, and then he came home, you know, the day after they got here. So we had so much fun swimming, and you know, we went to go get our nails done and, you know, do girl things and stuff like that. So that was nice. Maybe I'll use my owl washi. I haven't used that in a while. What else has been going on? Really not much, honestly, because I've just been stuck in this house. I haven't even really been doing much art. You know, I'm just like, I've been painting a little bit, but not much, just here and there. It's only been like the past 2 days that I've even been able to get out of bed. You know, I was in bed like for a long time, just sick. I don't know how my husband was able to work and be sick at the same time. I suppose it's because he didn't have a choice, but my God, I was really bad off. I still feel pretty bad. I'm probably gonna take a nap after I'm done with this. But I just wanted to do a little, you know, like a little bit of something, you know, just get some, you know, just get a little bit of work in. Nothing serious, just, you know, something fun. Oh, I'm gonna need some more tape, huh? Let's see. I kind of want some more of that owl washi, but where is it? I just had it in my hand. Oh, here it is. Okay. I'm totally out of this tea too. I'm gonna have to go and get some later because I'm at that stage where, like, I don't really cough that much, but I'm coughing at night, and I'm waking up in the middle of the night, you know, coughing. It's that weird cough that, you know, that won't stop, like, you know. And so I find myself waking up in the middle of the night to make myself some tea so that I can go back to sleep. That looks good. I know that looks really weird, but I don't know why, but that just really makes me happy. It really does. It just does. My glue, what's wrong with it? My glue is clogged. So for this side, I kind of want to do like a cute little drawing. I don't know. Let's see. Something gray, I guess, grayish. I want to draw like, I wanted to put some of this scrap paper down too. Like, I want to draw like someone sleeping. I don't look like that, but but I'm there. It's obviously that's like a girl. That's obvious. That's a girl sleeping, right? And a puppy here. And a puppy here. Maybe I want that bigger though, huh? Let's just do it. I know my face is not shaped like that, but I'm gonna draw lips. And here's my eyebrows, my nose. I kind of want my hair to be messy. And then a puppy. And that will be Mouser, and then this will be Bisou Kiss here. Because that's what's been going on, is lots of sleeping. So I know that looks crazy, but I'm gonna fix that. Oh, I know this looks like a hot mess, and it kind of is. That is not on purpose, but I just kind of wanted to, I don't know, I wanted to put something cute down, like, you know, like me sleeping, you know, taking naps with my two puppies as part of my my therapy of getting over a cold. So I'm kind of gonna, I don't know if I can make like a flesh, oh no, a fleshy color. It's been a while since I painted with acrylic, and honestly, I can't say that I was ever really that wonderful at it, but I kind of want like just like a fleshy color that I can, you know, that I can use. Let's see. So this is buttercream. I think this is red ochre, and that's just like a basic yellow color. Dandelion, I think that's what that's called. Let's see if I can make like a sort of a flesh color. Not really, but it's good enough. Not really. I mean, it kind of is. It's a little bit on the, you know, Caucasian side for me. I have a little bit more, you know, a little bit more color to my skin than that, but, you know, it'll do. It'll do. And then I need white, actually, for my puppies. My puppies are white. So while that dries, and then I think, oh, you know what I'm gonna do for the, I'll go ahead and make my hair, even though I don't have red hair. I'll just lay down some color anyway. I can put, like, I want my hair to be a mess. Oh, please don't get discouraged of me. Don't give up on me, you guys. If you watch this channel hoping for some really good art, like, sorry to disappoint you. I want my hair to be a mess. I do need some brown though. Like that's I mean, it doesn't have to be brown, right? But I don't have red hair, so maybe I will use this walnut stain. That may very well be a disaster, but what I'm hoping will happen is that it will look less red and more, you know, brown. Since my hair's not red, it's brown. I know I'm kind of breaking a rule. You shouldn't put skinny over fat, right? This is like an ink, you know, and I'm putting it on top of an acrylic. But, you know, I'm tired of following rules. Rules don't apply when you're trying to improvise, right? I just want my hair to be brown. I mean, I do have a little bit of gold and, you know, auburn in my hair, you know, when I get in the sun, so, you know, that's good enough. So, yeah, okay, well. Okay, well, that worked out. I think what I'm gonna do is spray it into the top of this cap, or into this cap, and I can use it to draw my eyes. I don't think that's I think that's a dye again. I don't think that's like I want my eyes to be closed. And here's my little nose. I know I don't look like this, but it's okay. It represents me, kind of. You know, I just want to get like the gist of the gist of it. Right? It's still red, which is okay. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more of this, what is this? Walnut stain. And see if that can help it be less red, because as much as I would like to be a redhead, I am not. I am a true brunette, and if it stays red, then it'll just stay red, and that's fine. But maybe I'll add, like, maybe I'll do that, like add it to some of this paint. But then it'll look like I have sandy brown hair, which I don't. What did I do, you guys? I'm making like this weird ink acrylic concoction. I don't have good, you know, like artist grade acrylic paint, so I feel like if I try to mix a brown, it's just kind of, I don't know, just easier to use what was already on my palette. So, I mean, that's kind of looking, it's kind of looking better, right? And I do have highlights, so I can put in some highlights. My best friend's daughter, she was, oh, she's just at the perfect age where she's really into, you know, girly things, and, you know, she wants to put makeup on with us and stuff, and, you know, she wants to, put lipstick on and have her hair braided and stuff like that. And I was letting her brush my hair, and she kept saying like, oh, you have gold in your hair, Auntie. Why do you have gold in your hair? You know. And up until she was like saying that, I wasn't planning on having my highlights retouched, but I think now I am. Just because of her. Okay, so I don't know how much footage I lost. Let's see how much. Oh, yeah, okay, so I don't know how much footage I lost, but I've kind of just given up, you know, using acrylic paints. It's, oh no, look what I did. Oh, that's okay. I'll use that as a little shadow. I feel like I gave myself like an ugly kind of representation of myself, but you know, whatever. You know, it happens when you're sick anyway. So yeah, look, now it keeps just getting worse. I can just paint over that. Yep, I can. Look at that. Look what I just did there. Even though it's gonna end up looking gray, but it's still better than a really dark gray Bozo the Clown, you know, black nose. So there we go. Okay, so it has been a full 24 hours since I started this page. I actually I put this aside so that this could dry, and then I wanted to work on these two little puppy faces that I wanted to put on each side, and I ended up falling asleep. You know, I'm still sick, so I'm getting better, but I'm still sick, so that's what happened. And I think I'm just gonna take like what's left over from this nasal spray box and draw in my little puppy faces so that I can cut it out and then glue them in. So I'm just, you know, that way I can end the video and then we can all move on with our lives. Because I actually, what I want to do is make, that's cute, so that's mouth with the patch eye, and then I'll make a small one since she's a little bit smaller one for a Beezy Kiss. But what I want to do, what I really want to do is make a junk journal out of some of the makeup boxes that I have left from the last time I went makeup shopping. That's good enough. I'm gonna know that those are my puppies. So what can I use? I think I'm gonna use my my paint pens. I don't think I have a brown though. I guess I can use this dark umber. Maybe I'll do the brown part first, since they've got brown ears. Like I said, I hope, you know, whoever might be watching didn't come to this page looking for, or this this channel looking for groundbreaking art, because you're not going to find it here, and I apologize for that. Ooh. I mean, this is already white, so it doesn't really matter, but I just wanted to, I don't know, just put it in. I feel like I'm not really happy with the way these Posca pens have been performing on like regular paper. I guess I just need, you know, better paper. I don't know, but I haven't really been happy with them. I feel like they I don't know. And maybe it's me, maybe it's the way that I'm using them, but I don't know. I'm not really happy with them. Let me get my let's see. Okay. Yeah. There we go. And I think I made Bizu's ears a little bit bigger than they really are, but you know, it doesn't matter. Who cares? Oh wait. Yeah, I wanted to give their noses a little bit more. Oh yeah, that's cute. That came out cute. I feel like though for Bizu, since she's a girl, I kind of want her to look like a girl. Give her like a slight little, I don't know if you can see that even, little flick of eyelash. But yeah. And then a little mouth. I want to make her smile a little bit. Oops. And then I'll cut them out. I'll cut them out. I'll just cut them out quickly, and then I'll be right back. So I was gonna fussy cut them, but I'm too lazy, so I'm just gonna put them in. I kind of messed this part up, like on the sides here. So how can I fix that? Well, while I'm thinking about how I'm gonna fix that, I think I wanna. It's like I want my hair to look really wild. This doesn't even kind of look like me, but I wanted it to look, you know, crazy. I mean, I didn't want it to look as crazy as it did look. I kind of wanted it to be a little, you know, a little bit prettier, but you know, that didn't quite work out. Should I make my nose pink? I think I should. I want to make my nose pink before I draw it in, like, yeah. Because, like, that is what it looks like, you know, when you're sick. Your nose is all pink and you're, like, let's see, let's just put a little bit of a little nose situation. I guess I should draw in a little bit more. I know this doesn't even kind of look like me, but good enough, right? For here, I think maybe I just want to put, I don't know, just to cover up this part, I think I'm going to put some washi tape down. And last night I left the cover off of this horrible smelling tacky glue that I bought at the dollar store. Hopefully it didn't melt, or not melt, hopefully it didn't dry. I mean, but if it did, then I'm not even going to be that disappointed in myself, because it means I can just, I'll have a good enough excuse to go buy a new bottle of glue, because that glue, God, it's awful. I mean, it doesn't smell as bad as it did when I first bought it, but it smells pretty bad. So, okay, so that looks better. And then where's the, oh, here she is. Okay. I want them to be like with me, like that. And then I'll put, I don't know what I'll put there. Maybe just some, let me scratch it out. And then, yeah, it's a good way to cover up a mistake, right? Just scribble it out. So I'm just gonna glue that. Hopefully it will stick. But yeah, there we go. That's cute. It's cute, cute, cute. But I want us to look like we're cuddling, so I'm gonna put it like that. And kind of want to put that here. I want it to look like we're like under a blanket, or should I just draw it in? I don't even know. How do you draw a blanket? I don't know. I think the more I complicate things, the more it's just gonna look awful. So let me just glue some stuff down and call it a day and move on with my life, you know? Okay. But I do want to use some of the new stickers that I found in the dollar spot at Target. Well, it's not really a dollar spot anymore, is it, you guys? It's like, I don't think I see anything there for $1 anymore. I think everything is like either $3 or like $5, at least at my Target. Okay, so I forgot about my little Sprite, my Sprite tab, and I don't know if I want to, I just did it inside out, so I think, I was going to make like a little bow, but I don't really think I need to do that. I think this is good enough. It doesn't have to be perfect. Although I do want the hearts to show. Yeah, that's cute, right? Because then it looks like a little prize, you know, you want a little prize for getting over your cold, which I'm still in the middle of. I mean, I'm at the end of it, but you know, I was feeling much better yesterday, so I did a little bit more, but I think I ended up kind of overdoing it. And then today I had to go get my blood drawn for some like a lab. I needed to get my thyroid checked, and so I feel like that kind of set me back a little bit. I don't know, but I am getting better. I'm just ready to move on with my life. This has been going on for like over a week now, you know. I'm sorry about the sniffling, but at least I'm not coughing like I was last night. Seem to be getting better slowly, you know. Oh, I don't know if my stickers are gonna stick. Okay, so this I want to call it a puppy sandwich nap. Oops. There we go, puppy sandwich naps. Soup. Sprite. Halls. Tea. And nasal spray. And this was in July. It's now August, but I'll just put July, August 2018, and I think that's it. I think that's it. I feel like that's good enough. I kind of want something here, but I don't know what to put there. There we go. Sorry about the sniffling, you guys. I know, it's pretty annoying, right? Hopefully in my next video I won't be doing any of that anymore. But for now, I feel like I just want something here, like something, I don't know. Maybe I'll put some more washi tape there just to even it out. And let's see, what else have I got? What else have I got? Do I have anything that I can use up? Use it all up? Oh no, huh? Not really, right? Button maybe, some flowers, some, I just want to put something right here, and then I feel like I'm done. What that is, I don't know, but, yeah. Let's put one of these. Or let's put 3. There we go. There we go. And I'm gonna call that done. I mean, I know this is really like not that wonderful, but it's wonderful to me because I just lived through it. So yeah, so here you go. Here's my page. Here's what I did. You know, not my best work, but I think it made me feel better about having been sick this past week. So I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna be making some little mini junk journals out of some makeup boxes that I have laying around. So I hope you will stay tuned for that in my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my channel, give me a like and subscribe, and I will see you again really soon. Bye-bye.